Greetings everyone. So today I'm back again with another band for your Galaxy Watch. Okay, so the one that I got before, previously I did some videos, right? One set they were Velcro and the other set they were magnetic. The current one that I'm using right now is magnetic because it's so easy to put on and off. Loosen it, take it off, put it on, strap it around, let it go, it snaps in place. That easy. In this video, I have another watch band that was sent to me by the same company that sent me this one right here. So let's open up the package and see what's on the inside. It's not magnetic, it's not Velcro, it's just an all-in-one thing with adjustable. So once you adjust it to your preference, then it's locked into place. And it's also stretchy. So you can stretch it and flex it to put it on. All right. So let's swap out the band from the one that I have right now and see what it looks like. Now, if you've seen the previous video, there's a button underneath where the watch band attaches to the watch, right? You squeeze that button and it comes right off. Squeeze and pull down. Pull up depending on which way you have the watch facing. That easy. And then you do the same thing with this in reverse. You push the same silver button that came with the band. All right, you see that silver button right there? That's what you want to press. And then you want to slide it into the slot. Till you hear it snaps into place. Once it snaps, then you see it's not going anywhere. You need to hear that snap. Snap. Not going anywhere. Make sure you tug on it. And now it's all about just putting it on and adjusting it. Now right now you see it's too loose. It's just making my watch fall down to the bottom. So you need to adjust the band. The best way to do it is to take it off and then adjust it, because it's hard to adjust it while it's on. See? You can't really adjust it while you have the watch on. So you have to take it off. And you just keep on adjusting it till you get your comfort level. But the good thing about it, like I said, it's stretchy. This band is stretchy. It's flexible. So you can stretch it when you put it on. So you can flex it. All right? And you can flex it to put it back on. And it's going to take a couple tries to get it right. Once you get it right, then you don't have to keep on adjusting it anymore. But there you go. You know, it's on. It's a little bit loose where you got that comfort level going on. See? If you like it a little bit tighter, you just keep on adjusting it. The more you adjust it like this, the better. You're going to be able to get it right. You know, it's got a little looseness, so you don't want it too tight. You want a little flex between the band and your skin. That's the band that I wanted to feature in this video. You know, quick and simple, easy to put on. And if you don't like the Velcro version or the magnetic version, then you have this option also. So it's from the same company, all right? I'm going to leave a link in the description of that video because it's a little bit more detailed. This video is quick, short, sweet, because it's not much to it. You know what I mean? I just wanted to give you my opinion on these bands. I got them and I wanted to show you the different style that this company provide. All right, so you got the Velcro, the magnetic, and you have this style. Okay, my preference still is the magnetic one. It's just something about that easy snap that makes me, you know, gravitate to it. I just like the fact that I can just let it go and it just snaps into place. Easy, quick, and easy to put on, just like that. But if you want different style, like I said, here you go. This is what they provide. Okay, so thanks for taking the time for watching. If you're interested in these bands, link is in the description. You like this video? Give it a thumbs up. Share this with somebody, especially if they have a Galaxy watch, okay? And they want to swap out their band, or you know they like to swap out their band. You might want to give it to them as a gift. Then I recommend these, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a good one.